Nice work, nice work.
A real shock just to get over.
Garage kept and babied for over 25 years.
Two 2x4s join at the transmission or at the shift lever housing. So it's like a Y shape, like a Lotus Europa, and they go forward and tie into the front suspension. So it's a really sturdy backbone, and then the space frame outrigger to tie it all together. It's acetylene, hand done oxyacetylene welded, the entire chassis. It's fusion welded, but it's with the oxyacetylene instead of electric. The old school. These surfaces were blank so they could get them out of the molds. So you had to cut the blank face out and glue in a duct piece to connect the two halves. The bodies became pretty unfinished, and things like the turkey pan sealing off the carburetors from engine heat, that's all home-brewed stuff that I added. And all the sheet metal again to keep engine heat away from the carburetors.
Any other unique features that you want to point out?
Two cup holder.
For
GT40 was a cup holder.
Yes!
During the build process, I went to a lot of trouble to make sure everything was really well weather sealed, and same with the clamshells, trying to get keep splash from getting all over the interior bits. The wheel well shields I added all that stuff. None of that came as part of the package. Just so when it closes up, it keeps the wheel splash to a minimum, and everything in the luggage compartment stays dry. Yeah, it's one sheet of aluminum, 14 feet long.
Jeez.
This is the whole. They're the same as the original car.
Wow.
So, because they were very distinctive, they're real flat and fairly rough casting on the hinge mount.
Wow. Besides the whole car?
The NACA ducts are plumbed into hoses that lead to the dash controls, so there's a really good ventilation system. Both the plenum up front and the little ones on the wheel wells, or on the wheel housings. So it's got pretty good flow-through ventilation when you're moving. And if you're not moving, you just open the doors.
Perfect. That was a really good flyby.
I figured you were going to be more on the straight, so you caught me off guard where you were, but doing 50. When it says 80 or at 100. But the tack is accurate.
Okay.
Let's see. So this 914 gearbox is, to make a 5-speed, they added an overhung shaft to make first go into the reverse cavity. So you don't even think about using first gear.
Dang.
72 at 6,000. Great.
Don't mind me, I'm just getting shots as I see them. Perfect.
See, at speed, it starts to kind of float, not annoying at all. On 90.
Right.
There's bicyclists and things going on up here that make me hold back just a little, Like hitting that dip there and just really opposed. That's well below the limit there.
Yep. Well, thank you.
That's the
My wife.
You might get here a little earlier and we could finish this thing off and then take that out and get a few big. Complicating factor there is I rented the downstairs. Yeah, that's just pretty recent that now as far as these the number that should be researched is how many get built.
Yeah, they vary. Go for it.
The lighting is kind of interesting, soft. I think
Yes. That's why I said what I said. Because it surprised the crap out of me.
Slice the crap out of some bird. Moistened towel.